So whether you have a Pixel phone or any other Android phone with the latest either Android 14 or 15, there are some services that may be able to read your notifications, including personal information such as contacts, messages, and all that stuff without you even knowing. All right, so let's go ahead and find these settings and choose which ones will be allowed to read your information without you knowing or knowing. Let's get started. If you want to know which specific services on your Pixel phone is reading your information without you knowing, go into the quick access, pull it down 2 times until you see this little setting toggle right here. As you tap on that, you'll be taken to this section here. Then go to where it says apps. So you're going to look for apps right here under your Pixel settings. And once you're in this section here, go down, pass all of this to the very bottom until it says special app access. That's what you're looking for. Now that you're here and you tap on it one time, you'll be taken to this section right here, Special App Access. And under this section here, you'll see all these different app access features. Then you go down to where it says Notification Read Reply Control. And as you enter here, for the most part, some of these will be set to default, such as these right here, or any other system or feature that has been enabled. And one of them can or could be Google Play services. So if it's turned on, you'll go here and you're going to see right here that it is allow notification access. And if you see that it's turned on, you might want to go down and see what it's allowed to access from you. And it would be just these here, okay? So these can be for like messages or anything from any other apps that are from other apps like WhatsApp, maybe even Messenger and all these features here, okay? And it can be reading your notifications without you knowing, okay? So you can just think of it like they're spying. But who knows? If that's the case, go ahead and disable it. It wouldn't affect the way how other apps are processed or operate in any given way if it's turned off. But if it's turned on, it could be like in some.